This video covers how to do greatest common factor as well as least common multiple. This has been built into your calculator forever. Now, on the SAT and ACT, they very rarely will use the greatest common divisor, greatest common factor, but least common multiple does occur pretty frequently. So if you hit the math menu, notice how there's a lot of different sub-menus on the math menu. In this case, go to num. Under num, the two functions we care about right now are LCM and GCD. Let's get GCD out of the way because it's not as important. Say that there were a problem for some reason asking you, what is the greatest common factor of 18 and 78? You'd choose GCD, you would type the first number, then hit the comma, which is right next to the parentheses, and then hit 78. And then you close the parentheses and hit enter. So the greatest common factor, the greatest common divisor, is 6. More importantly, is least common multiple. So you hit the math menu, go to num, and then go to LCM. LCM, what if they ask us what is the least common multiple of 40, 60, and 80? Or let's do 40, 60, and 70 to make it more fun. So 40, 60, and 70, we might think, oh, I can do all three numbers. And there's the problem. The calculator is not built to do that. But think of how we learned composite function notation where you can do a function inside of a function. That may not work. But what if instead we did math, num, LCM, what if we did 40, comma, and then did math, num, again, and put 60, 70? Because then it would find the least common multiple of 60 and 70 first, and then do the least common multiple of 40 in that new number. And it does it for you. So anything is possible if you nest it like that. Or you can do it by hand via brute force. Either one is fine on the ACT.